In a world where surveillance is everywhere, how do you speak privately? How do you send a message no one else can read? Not your internet provider, not a hacker, not even the app you used. The answer is end-to-end encryption and the tools that make it possible. Let's start with one of the most trusted and time-tested methods. PGP, pretty good privacy. PGP is a type of public key encryption used mainly for securing emails and files. Here's how it works. You generate two keys, one public, one private. You give your public key to anyone who wants to send you a message. They encrypt the message using that key, but only your private key can decrypt it. Even if someone intercepts the email, they can't read it without that private key. It's simple in concept, but powerful in practice. Whistleblowers, journalists, and darknet vendors often publish their public keys on forums or onion pages. This allows secure contact, even if the two people never speak directly. Next, let's talk about secure email services. Standard email is shockingly insecure. It's often stored in plain text and passes through multiple servers. That's why secure providers have emerged, built around encryption and privacy by design. Services like ProtonMail, Tutanota, SkiffMail. These platforms encrypt your emails both in transit and at rest. Some, like ProtonMail, allow PGP integration and self-destructing messages. They don't require real names to sign up, and they're based in privacy-friendly countries. Still, remember this. Even with secure email, your device can betray you. If your system is compromised, no tool can save you. That's why secure messaging apps have exploded in popularity. Apps like Signal, Session, Threema. Signal is the gold standard, open source end-to-end encrypted and audited regularly. It supports disappearing messages, sealed sender metadata, and doesn't store your contacts or messages on its servers. But it still requires a phone number to register, which can be a privacy concern. That's where Session comes in. It uses the Signal protocol but removes the phone number requirement. It routes traffic through a decentralized onion network, meaning not even the server knows who you are. For many dark web users, Session is the current go-to for anonymous chat. So how do you communicate securely? It depends on your threat model. PGP is best for files and email. Signal or Session are best for real-time conversations. Secure email is good for everyday encrypted contact, but only when used on a trusted device. Always assume metadata, like timestamps, sender IP, or location, can be as dangerous as the message itself. That's why true privacy comes from a combination of encrypted tools and smart behavior. Don't mix identities. Use aliases. Avoid linking secure tools with insecure ones. And never assume privacy is automatic, even with the right app. Privacy is something you build layer by layer, and these tools are your foundation.